When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So at this point, we're going to ask our Gothi boat bar to perform this part of the ritual. So, mein Gothi.
Ha ha! So, as you see, we have had a long winter. It is not over. But we're gonna do Charming of the Plough anyway. To the table.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have.
Who next?
That's you.
It's me? I'm the only one? I'm the only thing left? That's awesome. And at this point, I give to you the rest of the show. Booler, lots of little mushrooms, delicious little chocolate mushroom.
Back to your places, you heathens. David and Leif, will you take the cornucopia and put it over on the table there and then put the rest of these nuts around it?
Oh, at the stool where we place all the meat and stuff.
They're gonna put the cornucopia over there.
No.
That thing. I'm afraid I would catch that before I caught it. You would feel, but Crystal will not.
Creatures of the land? Yes.
They were little fishes, they're like,
The creatures, so they may come and munch. Hid squirrels. And you know some squirrels are coming. Oh, yeah.
It's on you, love.
Disa. Hail the Disa.
Hail the Disa.
Leif, will you send them off, please?
It would be my honor.
Thank you, son. If I can make it over there.
Careful. Don't break a hip. Knees to elbows. Whoa! Whoa! Knees to elbows. Don't break a rib.
Are you there to catch me?
I sure as heck am.
Okay, I'm good.
Yeah, that's what I was.
We're like skating in
Here, we can do this together, okay? Yeah, because four hands are better than 12.
Would
Yeah,
you
you're
look
good.
at these?
No, can't use that. A gift demands a gift. Thank you for the tour.
No, 4 feet are better than 2.
Okay. Buddy, are you going to have some? Hail the Norns.
Hail the Norns. That's it. That's all I can drink. And the horn is still full. It was connected to the sea. And he was drinking the ocean and made a measurable difference in it. Which scared the giants, but they had to hold it in. They had to pretend like it didn't scare them. But he drank a measurable part of the ocean trying to conquer that particular task. So, yeah. So he wrestled old age and almost kicked it. He drank the ocean and almost made a good effort. He did more damage than global warming. No. That's Thor. Well, it was all magic. It was all just smoke and mirrors.
Of course.
And what it really did was it scared the shit out of the giants because he was so damn powerful, and there didn't seem to be an end in sight. Even though internally he was feeling the stress of failing in these trials. It looked like he lost this one, lost that one, lost that one. In reality, he was showing how strong he really was.
Thor, Odinson, Redbeard. We ask that you infuse this food with your strength, your laughter, your love, your kinship. And we ask you to enjoy this small, humble feast with us. Thor.
Hail Thor.
Yeah. Oof.
That's some good looking mac and cheese, man.
Yeah.
Ari, yes, we're gonna need some of your mushrooms. Oh, double chocolate mushroom. Thank you. That's it. Yeah. There we go. Hey, brother, you are on speaker along with Anthony on speaker. And we have me and Bodvar and Sindri and David and Leaf. We're getting ready to start the Kindred meeting.
Leaf the long bone.
Nope, not naming him that.
So help me, Odin, Njord, and Almighty Thor.
So help me, Odin, Njord, and Almighty Thor.
There we go.
We are doing Shields for Cat.
Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna do it in April.
All in favor?
All in favor.
Don't.
Aye.
Aye.
Raise your hand if you want to rune
Here's what
red.
I want. I want you to pull one rune out and put it face down. Don't let anybody see it. There are 24 runes. So, if you know the order of the runes, then you know your number. 12, 13. This is like number 3. Is that it? That's where we're at? You get yours red. This is number 3. That's what I see.